Good morning, students. Nayakas, Palegaras and Nadaprabhus, the continued lesson. In the previous class, we studied about the Nayakas of Surabhadra. So, today we will study about the Nadaprabhus of Yelahanka. Look, students, Ranabhaire Gowda is the founder of Yelahanka Nadaprabhu dynasty. How the Hakkabuka were the founder of Vijayanagara Empire, like that Ranabhaire Gowda is the founder of Yelahanka Nadaprabhu dynasty. After Ranabhaire Gowda, Jaya Gowda, Gidde Gowda, Kempananje Gowda and others ruled. So Ranabhaire Gowda is the first king. Later Jaya Gowda, Gidde Gowda, Kempananje Gowda were ruled the Yelahanka region. Then the most popular ruler of this dynasty is Hiriya Kempe Gowda. Among all the rulers, Hiriya Kempe Gowda is the most famous ruler. Therefore, the rulers of Yelahanka are known as the rulers from Kempe Gowda dynasty. Hiriya Kempe Gowda is one of the famous ruler of Yelahanka Nadaprabhu's Yelahanka dynasty. That's why rulers of Yelahanka are known as the rulers of Kempe Gowda dynasty. They were Nadaprabhus during the rule of Vijayanagara Empire. When the Vijayanagara king, at the time of Vijayanagara ruling time, these are all the Nadaprabhus. These are all the rulers under the kings of Vijayanagara. They ruled Bengaluru, Ramanagara, Tumukuru and undivided Kolar district during their period. During their period, Yelahanka Nadaprabhus ruled different places of Karnataka. Bengaluru, Ramanagara, Tumukuru and undivided Kolar also they ruled. Since Yelahanka was the first capital and later Bengaluru and Magadi were their other capital. Look here, Yelahanka was their first capital. That's why these are all called Yelahanka Nadaprabhus. Later they make the Bengaluru and Magadi as their capital. Hiriya Kempe Gowda. We will study about one of the ruler of Nadaprabhus of Yelahanka, Hiriya Kempe Gowda. His timeline is 1532 to 1597 Common Era. Hiriya Kempe Gowda founded Bengaluru city in 1537 Common Era. Look here, Hiriya Kempe Gowda, he was the founder of Bengaluru. That's why his name was kept to the international airport also. So Kempe Gowda International Airport is the name of this ruler. Name of his that is his name. So he was the founder of Bengaluru city. He founded the Bengaluru city in the year of 1537 Common Era. He built a fort in Bengaluru and started his rule from there. At first, Hiriya Kempe Gowda built a fort in the Bengaluru and started his ruling from there. He built Basava temple at Basavanagudi, Someshwara temple of Halasuru and extended the Gavi Gangadhareshwara temple. So these are all the temples built by Hiriya Kempe Gowda. Basava temple, Someshwara temple and Gavi Gangadhareshwara temple. Basava temple that is in Basavanagudi and Someshwara temple that is in the Halasuru. Then he is credited of building several prominent tanks. Some of them are, look here, Hiriya Kempe Gowda. When he founded the Bengaluru city, that time he founded so many temples, so many tanks also. So Dharmambudi tank, Halasuru tank and Sampangi tank. These are built by Hiriya Kempe Gowda. And Hiriya Kempe Gowda was a devotee of Gavi Gangadhareshwara of Shivagange. He is worshipping, Hiriya Kempe Gowda worshipping the god Gavi Gangadhareshwara of Shivagange. That's why he built several chowtries and agraharas. He also earned the title Prajavatsala. in recognition of his administration. Look here, Kempegowda built so many temples and many tanks. That's why not only tanks and temples, he built Agraharas and Chaudhries also. That's why he got the title Prajavatsala. Then another next important ruler of Yelahanka is Kempegowda II. His timeline is 1597 to 1641 Common Era. Kempegowda II was the elder son of Hiriya Kempegowda. Look here, he was the elder son of Hiriya Kempegowda. Hiriya Kempegowda was the title of Prajavatsala. So, Kempegowda II was the son of Prajavatsala. Who was the Prajavatsala? Hiriya Kempegowda was the Prajavatsala. He got the title. Look next. So, Kempegowda II, he was the son of Hiriya Kempegowda. During his period, during the Kempegowda II's period, Army General Ranadulla Khan of Vijapur Adil Shahi occupied Bengaluru in 1638. Look here, in the year of 1638, during the period of Kempegowda II, so Ranadulla Khan of Vijapur Adil Shahi occupied the Bengaluru. Hence, Kempegowda II started the rule from Magadi and Kunigal region and made Magadi as his capital. So he lost the Bengaluru from Adil Shahi king. That's why he started his ruling from Magadi and Kunigal. Usually the rulers of this family are called as Magadi Kempegowdas. That's why when the Kempegowda II started his ruling from the Magadi, that's why all of these rulers were called as the Magadi Kempegowdas. Kempegowda II had marked the border of Bengaluru and had built 4 watchtowers in the marked place. Look here, to the security of the Bengaluru, to the security of his region, he built 4 important towers in the Bengaluru, and also he marked the border of Bengaluru. During his reign, Bengaluru grew as a major weaving center. When before the Ranadulla Khan occupying the Bengaluru, during the period of Kempegowda II, Bengaluru was an important center of the weaving. He built fort at Magadi, Savanadurga, Huliuradurga, Hutri Durga and others. He built so many forts in different places. Like his father, he also constructed new villages, temples and tanks. So, like his father Kempegowda II, Kempegowda II also constructed so many villages, temples and tanks. Kempegowda II handed over the political power of Magadi to his son Kempegowda III. So, after the end of Kempegowda II, Kempegowda III came to the power. He also started the ruling from the Magadi. And the power of Kunigal province to his another son, Hiriya Kempegowda II. Look here, Kempegowda III and Kempegowda II. Hiriya Kempegowda II, not only a Kempegowda, Hiriya Kempegowda II. These are the sons of Kempegowda II. So, Magadi, Kempegowda III started his ruling from Magadi, and Hiriya Kempegowda II, he started his ruling from the Kunigal. Then, Kempegowda III constructed the Kempasagara tank in order to tackle drought. So, to the benefits of the farmer, he built the Kempasagara tank. Kempegowda III built the Kempasagara tank. Hiriya Kempegowda II was not only a brave but also a multi-language academician. Hiriya Kempegowda II is a brave person and also he was a multi-language academician. He earned the title Navakavita Gumbapumbavani. Navakavita Gumbapumbavani. That is the title of Hiriya Kempegowda II. Next, his queens built agraharas, tanks and temples in Kunigal and Huliuradurga. The queens of Hiriyakempegowda too, they built some tanks and agraharas and temples in the Kunigal. Later, the region ruled by Yelahanka chieftains merged with the Mysuru province. At last, finally, this region merged into the Mysuru province. This is the end of your lesson. Read the textbook carefully, write the question answer. Now we will conduct the test also. That's why read carefully. Thank you.